If you've been holding your breath for Nothing's next big drop, you can exhale now. The company has finally confirmed that the Nothing Ear 3 will be here soon and the countdown is on. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for latest tech news. The announcement came in nothing fashion with minimal words and maximum mystery. A single close-up shot of the earbuds was posted on X revealing a sliver of the device along with the sleek Ear 3 branding written on what could be the stabilizer stem. Transparent design? Check. Cryptic vibes? Double check. While Nothing hasn't revealed any specs, live stream plans, or even a product page on its site, the post was enough to fire up the speculation. Will earbuds follow the design of previous models? Will it bring back silicone tips? Or perhaps integrate with the company's growing AI landscape, letting users take voice notes or control the Nothing Phone 3 with a tap? The mysteries are a lot. The expectations are surely high because when the Nothing Ear Open launched in September 2024, it broke away from traditional buds with an around-the-ear hook design. And before that, the rebranded Nothing Ear hit the shelves in April. Now, with the Ear 3, the company seems ready to return to its signature style, sleek, transparent, and hopefully packed with surprises. For now, the teaser offers more questions than answers. But one thing's clear, that Nothing is about to make noise again. Stay tuned because September 18th might just be your ear's lucky day. Are you waiting for Nothing's Ear 3 as well? Tell us in the comments, smash the like button and subscribe to GadInsider, and yes, hit the bell icon too so you stay updated with more tech news.